Can Nathan Can Nathan say red coin? Nathan, red. Can Joshua say red? Uh-oh, you're flying? Obviously, no one's paying to Papa here because both of you are playing your airplane book.
No, Nathan's looking at Mommy.
See, he's like, I'm playing with Big Brother. Forget about the ding dong books. There's no ding dong. Ring, ring, ring. Who is there? Is Big Brother reading for you? Brothers read.
I'm a sound clue. Listen to me. Hey, that's a great sound. A really cool sound. Now that we're three, what will we be?
What you doing? Kiss Nathan. Hmm? How you guys doing?
I'm playing.
Playing? Who's in the crib?
Me.
Joshua, Teddy, and Nathan. You love Nathan, Josh?
Yeah.
Go kiss your brother.
Yay.
Go kiss Nathan.
What?
Hmm.
Dada.